In aviation industry, a wide range of applications is controlled by a mechanism called actuators. To be more precise, actuators are used to control and limit velocity and engine speed by adjusting levers and flaps. These actuators are typically part of a larger system which includes a power drive, a mechanical interconnects, and feedback devices to control the motion of multiple devices. The areas of use for actuators and also for valves in aircraft are very diverse. Not only this, it is also important that the actuators achieve very high dynamic forces yet to be lightweight and fit into small and tight spaces. They should also withstand ambient conditions such as strong vibrations, heat, and cold climates. The reason why we are speaking about the actuators all of a sudden is due to the latest update we got regarding the same in connection to HAL LCA Tejas fighter aircraft. We already know that the state-owned defense manufacturer Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has increased the involvement of private companies in manufacturing the LCA Tejas combat jets. Never before has an Indian private sector company been offered the opportunity to be an equal partner in a military aviation project. The military aircraft development and manufacture has so far strictly been preserved of the state-owned DRDO and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. In one of my previous videos, for which I have provided the link in the description section, we discussed about the private companies like Tata Advanced Systems, L&T, Boeing India, Lakshmi Machine Works Limited and VEM Technologies Private Limited to form a joint venture in AMCA program. In the same route, the information which we are concentrating in this particular video is on the parts manufacturer for the private companies of HAL LCA Tejas. The private partners would be making key components for the LCA Tejas Mark 1 and Mark 1A fighter jets when they enter the production. According to the defense sources, the LCA Tejas would be getting the actuators from Godrej Aerospace. The required tests and clearance has already been completed, and previously these mechanisms were manufactured by DRDO. Coming to the other parts, the front, the center and the rear fuselages of LCA Tejas fighters would be manufactured by Dynamatic Technologies, VEM Technologies and Alpha Doka respectively. L&T would be making the wing portion of the LCA Tejas. The private companies making such components would expedite the production of these fighter aircrafts, which are very vital for our defense sources in current situations. So that was a quick update on the latest happenings with the LCA Tejas program. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.